Hello, my name is Polina, a marketing and Shopify expert, and in this course we'll discuss how to make sales on Shopify. The videos you are about to watch are created for those who are already managed to launch their Shopify stores and now are intended to upscale the shop, establish a marketing strategy, and accelerate the sales. It has taken years for Shopify to grow to its current level, and now is the dawn of fair competition in e-commerce. Shopify is more principled than most people would think. It is in many respects a driver for social equality. It has made e-commerce more affordable, more accessible, and more competitive than ever before. It has become a serious contender in the industry for its ability to give newly found businesses access to the global market with its comprehensive platform. So, in this course, I'll be going step by step and showing you how to effectively market your Shopify store, and we will start with the process of gaining traffic and converting it into sales, go through customers' retention, and discuss e-commerce features that you can take advantage of. Let's start!